Alright, so we're going to open up our weekly vault. It's all the way to the max. Last week was pretty uneventful. I didn't get anything really good, so hopefully this week is going to be super good. So we're going to open. So we got an expedition token. I probably should make a video on that. Those seem really fun. You can get some good rewards from doing the expeditions. We got 3 diamond chests. Let's see what we get. I don't think it's guaranteed any champions, so that kind of sucks, but we'll see if they change anything. Okay, I don't know what this draft token does. Oh, it's the expedition token. Okay, we got one of those. Okay. Oh, we do need a horror, so that's good. We'll go through this quickly, though. Pretty simple stuff. Come on, something good. Alright, we got the Harrowing as our rare. Or, epic. 591 charge. Those are always good to have. Second box. Another Arachnid Horror, but we have maximum. I guess I'm fine with shards as well. So I can purchase more cards myself. Alright, let's see what we get at the end here. Legendary. No, just a rare. Jesus. Alright, I'll go through this. Looks like this one's going to be another uneventful box opening. We got a rare. Okay. Captain Farron. And then shards at the end. So, it looks like these chests aren't guaranteed a legendary. We got 5 rares, or 5, epics, 8 rares, 23 commons, and 2,096 shards, which isn't bad at all. I'm close to getting a champion with that. So, I guess that makes up for not having a legendary. But that's for this week's weekly vault. Let me know what you guys get. Did you guys get anything good? I don't know what I really want. I've been having fun with like a Zed Hecarim deck and a Demacian deck. These other 2 decks I just kind of made up. But let me know if you guys got anything good. I don't think we got anything too special this week, but here's hoping for the next week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.